Hey, this is Adam Knackers of TechyNetworker.com, and in this video, what I'm going to share with you is my #1 recommended free WordPress theme. Now, I did quite a bit of digging around, looking at different themes, and trying to find one that I think is adequate for a business, an online business. And truth be told, among the free themes, generally I don't like most of the free themes. But I was able to find one that I do believe is actually a really nice theme. And it has some great customization options, and it has all the features that that you really need to have to be able to set up your site the way you need to have it. So let's just dig in. I'm going to show you a couple of things, because I'm not saying that you can't go with another free theme, but this is definitely the one I recommend. So first, what I'd like to show you is just how to use that filter feature to find themes. So if you go to Appearance and then Themes, okay, as I showed you in the previous video, these themes you see here are the themes that you have installed. These are installed themes. If you want to look for themes, if you want to be able to filter through all the themes that are available, then you want to make sure you click on Add New, and that'll take you here. Okay, and then there's the Featured, Popular, Latest. I'm going to quickly show you this feature filter, and I know I covered this a little bit, but I thought I'd give you guys some filters that I just think you should be applying. So in case, I'm going to get to, sharing with you the theme that I recommend, but in case you just decide you don't want to go with that one and you want to find another one, then you can search here. And there's a couple features I highly suggest you filter with. Number one, responsive layout. That's mobile friendly. All right. So basically, if you check this, that means that's going to be a filter that's applied, so you'll only return themes that are mobile friendly. Okay. The other one that I recommend is Sticky Post. What Sticky Post allows you to do is just take like a specific blog post or piece of content and make it sticky, which means when people land on your homepage, they're going to see that blog post as more or less like a featured blog post. Okay. And then the other one is post formats. Post formats just allow you, when you're creating content, to specify like a specific type of post. So if you're creating video content, you can specify it as a video post or an image post or whatever. And generally what that means is then when you create the specific type of content, it's going to look nicer, because by having these defined post formats, that means the content will actually when you choose a video post, for example, it's going to display your video post in a specific way that's customized for that format, right? So it's just going to look better. So I always filter with these options: responsive, sticky post, and post formats. Okay, and then I just click on Apply Filters, and now after you do that, it will have filtered out, from the thousands of themes down to just the themes that meet your criterion. Okay, and you can always go back there to add or remove filters and that sort of thing. So what I want to do now, though, is just take you right to the theme that I recommend, and it's called Human. H-U-E, and it's not spelled how you'd expect human to be spelled. It's H-U-E-M-A-N. Okay, so I have already installed this theme, but if you are just searching for it here, you're going to see that you're going to need to install it first, and then you can activate it right on the next page. But I'll just show you. If I click on themes here, I already have Human as an installed theme. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to Human, and I'm going to activate it right here. So I'm going to activate this theme. Boom. Now, here's the thing about this theme. The theme developer of this theme, when they were creating the theme and optimizing it, they also recommend that you use these. They recommend that 4 additional plugins get installed to be used with this theme. What's cool is you can actually just go right to, if you click on Begin Installing Plugins, and I do recommend you do this if you're going to use this theme. You go to Begin Installing Plugins. What you can do is you can check all of these 4 recommended plugins and then go to install and click on apply. It looks like you can actually activate them right from here too. But let's install them first. Awesome. So now they're installed. They're not activated, and actually, as of right now, I'm not going to activate them. But these are useful plugins, and maybe in some later videos, I'll show you how to use them. For the purposes of just getting your site up and going, I really don't need to go into that much depth. So what I'm going to be doing in the next video is showing you how to customize this theme. And what I really like about the human theme is that it gives you a lot of additional customization options. So just so you know how there's basically two places to look when it comes to customizing your theme. If you look under appearance here, you're going to see customize. Okay, so when you click on that, that's actually going to open up a window that gives you a preview pane of your theme. So over here are the different basic customization options. And then over here is what your website actually looks like. Okay, this is a preview pane. And these are like the main customization options. But what's nice about the human theme is that it gives you these additional customization options. So under appearance, if you'll notice, there's this theme options setting right here. When you click on that, there's a whole nother group of theme options that you can set here, all right? So in the next video, I'm going to take you through just how I set up this theme for my website, okay? And, of course, you can follow along and set it up just the way I have, or you can just play around with it. I mean, the truth is that most of these settings can be ignored, but there's a number of them that you might want to look at. I'll be, like I said, walking you through how I have customized this for this site. So if you have any questions about this, make sure you leave them in a comment below this video, and I will see you in the next video.